KML stands for Keyhole Markup Language. It's the standard file for Google Earth data. You can open it in Google Earth or view the XML coordinates in Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's map it. To quickly determine if the KML file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried-and-true software here and later on. A KML file contains geographic data and associated content, used to display information in geographic browsers such as Google Earth, Google Maps, and other GIS applications. It uses an XML-based structure to define place marks, images, polygons, 3D models, and textual descriptions. KML files are commonly used for sharing location-based information and visualizing geospatial data. KML files adhere to an XML schema that defines the structure and elements for representing geographic features. The file includes coordinates, latitude, longitude, altitude, styling information, colors, icons, and metadata, names, descriptions. KML files can reference external resources, such as images and 3D models, using URLs. They can also be compressed into KMZ files for efficient storage and distribution. The most widely recognized opener for KML is unequivocally Google Earth from Google. The system can open the file as plain text, but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows recognizes GIS files as data only. GIS applications reveal their full meaning. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the KML file and hit Open with Test Google Earth first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If the KML file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The reason for the error is almost certainly the KML file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, use Google Earth. Open the file using Google Earth, the required application for the geospatial data. Next, check XML. Open the KML file in a text editor to check the XML structure for corruption. Finally, convert to GPX KMZ. Use a GPS utility tool to convert the KML file to GPX or KMZ. If those KML compatibility checks failed, it is often because this specific extension name is shared by dozens of different software developers for completely unrelated tasks. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the KML format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. That concludes the tutorial. Look forward to the next one.